कहा जा रहा है कि ये लोग 1 ईयर 1 पीएम फॉर्मूला बना रहे हैं, यानी 1 साल 1 पीएम, दूसरे साल दूसरा पीएम, तीसरे साल तीसरा पीएम, चौथे साल चौथा पीएम, 5वें साल 5वां पीएम। बताओ भाई क्या होगा देश का? क्या होगा? क्या होगा मुझे बताइए? देश बचेगा क्या? आपका सपना बचेगा क्या? आपके बच्चों का भविष्य बचेगा क्या? इसका मतलब ये पीएम की कुर्सी का भी ऑक्शन करने लग गए हैं। भाई बताइए, जो बोली बोलेगा 1 साल बैठेगा, और मजा क्या होगा फिर? जो एक ऊपर बैठेगा ना, 4 लोगों को कुर्सी की टांग पकड़ करके बैठ जाएंगे।
Now, even when it comes to the Prime Minister's assertions that were based on news reports suggesting that the top rung in the opposition alliance was brainstorming over formulas of power sharing in the likelihood of coming to power of the centre, while the Prime Minister dismissed this probability, dubbing it as Mungeri Lal ke Haseen Sapne, the biggest constituent of the anti-BJP alliance called it frustration on part of a leader who seems to be staring at an impending poll defeat.
Prime Minister Modi in Betul, which is in Madhya Pradesh, has given a statement that the India Alliance had decided to have 1 PM, 1 year, 1 PM for formula has been made. I just fail to understand that where from did he get this information? After the first phase, he is totally frustrated, and in the second phase, the India Alliance is coming to power handsomely.
Now, a day after the Prime Minister claims the opposition is contemplating on 1 year, 1 Prime Minister formula, given the fact that there is no clarity exactly who would be the PM face within the India bloc, the BJP seems to be upping the ante, mocking the India bloc, saying that the opposition will be going for rotational Prime Ministers in 5 years.
पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी ने इंडी अलायंस की सारी पोल खोल दी। ये इंडी अलायंस का देश के लिए कोई मिशन विशन नहीं है। ये केवल और केवल अपना अपना करप्शन, अपना अपना डायनेस्टी का प्रोफेशन, अपना अपना एम्बिशन और अपना अपना कंफ्यूजन लेकर आए हैं। और कंफ्यूजन और एम्बिशन की ऐसी लड़ाई है कि हमने तो देखा ही है, रांची में चेयर, कुर्सियां, टेबल, लाठी एक दूसरे पर फेंकी। एक नया जो इनका राज है वो सामने आया है। ये तो प्रधानमंत्री की चेयर को भी ऑक्शन करना चाहते हैं।
Well, let me go across to Mohit now, because Mohit, good morning. Ever since this alliance was formed, the question has remained from day one. Who is the face, who is the contender, who is the convener, and who would be the prime ministerial face?
Well, Amita, you see, since India bloc has come into inception, BJP leaders, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, have come out and they have basically stated that these parties have come together just because they want to save their dynasty, save themselves from the corruption, save themselves from going to jail, and they do not have any common ideology for the country, and they are not telling that who exactly would be their PM face. And when the opposition parties were asked this question, they say that first they are concentrating on winning the elections, and after that the PM face will be announced. But now that the narrative that has been pushed by the BJP and in fact from the Prime Minister is that the opposition parties believe in 1 year, 1 PM, and which will be very dangerous for the country. They are auctioning the chair of the Prime Minister, and that is where the PM has hit out at the opposition parties that they do not have clarity that who exactly will be the PM candidate. Now, he also compared it to the NDA and the BJP, saying that you know that who exactly is the leader of the BJP-led NDA, but when it comes to the opposition parties, they do not have any single face they can project as the Prime Minister. So that has been the target by the BJP. They have been saying this, that the opposition parties do not have any ideology. One thing that they are together on, and the glue that sticks them together, is corruption and saving their families and their dynasty and their hatred towards Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now that the Prime Minister has hit out and made very serious allegations against the opposition parties, citing various news reports saying that the opposition parties are thinking of a formula of having 1 year and one prime minister, and how exactly it will be dangerous for the country. We have to wait and watch how will the opposition take it forward, because the opposition parties are now saying that PM senses that there is a defeat looking at him just after the first phase of the elections, and that is why first, according to the opposition, the communal claims were made by Prime Minister, and now he is resorting
But Mohit,
to
even
this
come to
particular
think
narrative.
of it, even when it comes to this formula that the Prime Minister is talking about of 5 years, 5 Prime Ministers, the opposition bloc has more than 5 political parties. Then some would be the chosen one, others would be left out. In fact, that remains to be seen exactly who would be making to that top 5 list of prime ministers, even if India blocks forms in a government at the center. But there is a reaction coming in. Mohit, we want to...
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।